Hey Mind Managers! Today I'm going to talk to you about the different types of topics you may encounter while using MindManager. The first is the central topic. The central topic is at the center of the mapping canvas, so when you drag it around, you'll notice that all the other topics move with it. The next type of topic just underneath the central topic are called main topics. Main topics can be moved by clicking the drag handle. Next, underneath main topics, we have subtopics, and every level below that are also subtopics. Subtopics are the basic type of topic in MindManager and have all sorts of available options. The next important type of topic are floating topics. Floating topics can be added to the mapping canvas anywhere just by double-clicking the background. They can also be moved to unique positions on the mapping canvas or be connected to other topics. Once they're connected, they change their type. You can see there it turned into a subtopic. Floating topics can also have interesting and unique scenarios that happen when you change their layout type. An example of this are the flowchart maps, where the layout type of the floating topics has been changed to flowchart layout. In this case, when you click the Quick Add buttons, you'll see that it creates relationships. Those can be connected, or they can be used to create a new topic at any location. Thanks for joining in.